Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about my latest piece? It's the first in a new series inspired by Art Nouveau. Now, I went to this exhibition back in 2000 when I was an art critic, and this is a catalogue from it, Victoria and Albert Museum in London, and I was really blown away by it, and it's stayed with me since, really. So Art Nouveau, according to this, 1890 to 1914. Well, of course, the First World War happened then and put an end to all that frivolity and flamboyance. And when it comes back after the war, it's sort of more geometric, more serious in the form of Art Deco. Anyway, Art Nouveau is one of my favourite periods. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I love all the curves and the flamboyance of it, which become more angular and cubic with the Art Deco. Anyway, one of my favourite artists of the period is architect and designer C.F.A. Voysey. And this piece is unashamedly in debt to him, really. It's very much based on one of his sketches. And the frame by William Ward is just enough. It's just a nod to Art Nouveau without being distracting. I think it's one of his best efforts, and I think this is one of my best pieces, but I always say that, don't I? So, it's called Voysey Doves, and here's the accompanying verse. I'm not going to get noisy when I talk about Voysey, but I wonder what he thinks, staring down from above, about what's become of his beautiful dove.